used it up, made it all a lie. Like to spin a little beach, not right.
This is a child abduction alert issued by the Texas Amber Alert Network. The Brookshire Police Department is searching for Ramon Reese, a black male, 10 years old, date of birth November 7, 2006. He is 4 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 60 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. Police are also looking for Jacqueline Ballard, a black female, 8 years old, date of birth November 1st, 2008. She has black hair and brown eyes. In addition, police are also looking for Graceland Shashar, a black female, 1 year old, date of birth January 9, 2015. Police are looking for Tamara Harrison, a black female, 30 years old, date of birth April 28, 1986. She is 5 feet 7 inches tall, weighing 180 pounds, has black hair and brown eyes, and they are looking for her in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a white 2011 Mazda 3, his license plate number is CGR9347. Once again, that is Charlie Golf Romeo 9347. The suspect was last heard from in Houston, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe these children to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Brookshire Police Department at 281-375-5000. Once again, that is Brookshire Police Department at 281-375-5000. And once again, that is Charlie Golf Romeo 9347.
15 minutes past Texas, your observation. Escort is 50.
Don't let anybody tell you any difference. About 2:44, I'm on.